Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Paneer Bhurji. So let's get started. I have taken some tomatoes, onions, green chilies, bell pepper or capsicum and cilantro, and I've chopped them finely. Then I've taken some powdered spices like red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt and cumin seeds. We'll need some oil and of course paneer, which I have grated. It's about 400 grams of paneer. On medium heat in a pan, I have added oil, and once it heats up, we'll add cumin seeds or Zeera and let it splutter for a few seconds before adding chopped green chilies. And then we'll add the onions. And we'll saute for 5 minutes until the onions turn translucent. Next, we will add the bell pepper or capsicum. And we'll cook this for 5 minutes as well. Then we'll add the chopped tomatoes and saute this for 5 minutes. After the tomatoes turn a little mushy, we'll add all the powdered spices like salt and turmeric powder or Haldi, coriander powder or Dhania powder, as well as red chili powder or Laal Mirch powder. We'll mix this well on medium heat for about a minute so that the spices cook really well. Then we'll add the chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. And after a few seconds, we'll add the grated paneer. And fold the mixture so that everything is well incorporated, and we'll cook the paneer on medium for about 5 more minutes. And now it's ready. It's very simple and easy dish, very quick to make. I hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Goodbye.